Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put YouTube videos in 4K. Let me go ahead and over to my channel, guys, and here I'm going to go to videos. Now once you're on a particular video, I'm going to just choose one of my videos, a random one as an example. Once the video is playing, guys, in order to put the video in 4K, it is important to know that a video will only be able to put in 4K if the video was uploaded in 4K. So you will not have a video that only uploaded with 1080p as a maximum resolution, put that in 4K. It will not work like that. So you want to ensure, so in order to do this, the video has to be uploaded in 4K. So as you can see here, guys, I have a video currently playing right here, and to put this video in 4K, all I have to do is just go down to the settings gear in the lower right hand side, go to where it says quality, and here look if 4K is available, and just click on that, and you will see immediately change to 4K as I hover over the settings gear again, and the video quality as well is in 4K. So when I'm playing my videos, guys, you will see that the video is in a 4K resolution. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and put your videos quality in 4K on YouTube.